Hello there, beautiful friends and family. Welcome back again. Yes, you're so welcome to this channel where we share so much love and how to cook. So, we're gonna make waakye stew today. I'm using medium-sized tomato paste. I have some large onion. I also have some habanero pepper, garlic, ginger, rosemary, and also some black pepper corn. And I'm gonna use 4 bay leaves and some Maggi cubes. You can use any spice of your choice. I have some sliced fresh tomatoes and some sliced onions. So I'm gonna blend the onion, ginger, garlic, rosemary, and black peppercorn together. Add some water to it and blend it so it's smooth. Now that is done, I'm gonna add some water to my meat, and I'll add 3 tablespoons of my blended ingredients and reserve the rest for later. So I also added my salt already and my beef cube or beef stock, whatever spice you have, you're welcome to add that. Cover it, let it cook so it's soft to your preference. Now that it's done, we're gonna fry our meat, and once it's brownish, I'm gonna add some onions to it, because trust me, it pops some aroma in there. I really love to fry my meat this way because it really gives some great aroma in there. So that is done. We're gonna take our meat out, and the onions I used to fry the beef or my meat, I'm gonna add it to the rest of my blended ingredients and blend them together. Yes. So now I added my cut onions with the same oil I used to fry the beef. You do not have to change it. And now I added my tomato paste to it. I'll stir that together and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And once that is done, I'm gonna add half of my reserve blended ingredient, and I will still save half to blend together with the tomatoes. So that is done. Cover it and let it simmer on a very low heat. So now I'm adding my fresh tomatoes to it, and I'm gonna blend that together because we want the flavor everywhere. So I'm gonna boil this so it reduces the moisture. So just be careful, do not stir because it's gonna splash. So it's time to add your bay leaves in your stew while the tomatoes is cooking, and just give it a stir and cook it on a very low heat now. So the moisture has reduced. Now it's time to add it to our tomato stew. And please, when you add it, do not stir immediately, or if you would do so like what you see now, I had it on a very low heat, because if it's on a high heat, it's gonna splash and you're gonna get burned. So please be mindful, even if it take up to taking it from your stove before you add it, please do so. And once it's on the high heat again, cover it. As you see what I'm talking about, it's a whole lot of splash and a mess. So that is done. The moisture has reduced and our tomato stew or waakye stew is almost done. Now I added my Maggi cubes. You can also add any spice of your choice. And now I'm gonna add my meat to it because it's almost done. You can keep it separate if you want, but I prefer to add this when I'm making my waakye stew. Yes. So it is almost done. I also added some eggs and fish that is totally optional. So I hope we all learned something today, right? And I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.